day to all lovers of freedom. My name is Mazi Nnamdi. I'm one of the lawyers to Mazi Nnamdi. Today being the 23rd of October 2025, Mazi Nnamdi opted to defend himself in open court. Processes had been filed and motions had been moved. So he filed a motion challenging the jurisdiction of the court. And after the motion was moved by himself, according to what we heard, because when he asked that he would defend himself, the judge directed or ordered that all his lawyers who had appeared with him or for him before now should leave the courtroom. So we all left, except the senior advocates of Nigeria, who my lord ordered to sit back, and they sat back. So, but we left as directed by court, and Mazi Nnamdi, as we later heard, moved the motion which he filed by himself, challenging the jurisdiction of the court. I understand that the court insisted that he has jurisdiction and continued to hear the matter. We also were informed that he raised the issue of his medical certificate of fitness issued by the Nigerian Medical Association. And he drew the attention of the court to the fact that the Nigerian Medical Association issued a certificate of fitness on the 23rd of September 2025, whereas the court made an order for the Nigerian Medical Association to do that report on the 26th. So we noticed that the medical report came long before the order of court was made. And Mazi Nnamdi's position is that that medical report is not the one ordered by the court, and that the medical report is corrupted. But because on the last date before today, when we appeared in court and that medical report was tendered, the lawyers, we didn't object to that medical report. Possibly it's an oversight, I think. And so my lord said that since he had ruled on that medical report, he is found official, he can no longer go back to that medical report, and ordered him to go ahead to present his defense. We understand also that Dr. Nyechi Azo stood up and intervened as a friend of court and requested my lord to grant Mazi some time to reflect and maybe constitute another team of lawyers that will lead his defense team. So be that as it may, the case is still on. It's adjourned to tomorrow, 24th October 2025. Hopefully we'll be around. If the court permits us to come inside, we'll come inside, but if not, then we'll just hang around and try to get information as to what transpired. So as of today, Nnamdi Kanu has briefed us as his lawyers for this particular case, not for all cases, but for this particular case. So hopefully by tomorrow, he might have to reconstitute another team. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Prince Elias Odemena. I am the convener of the Igbo Union Nzukondi Igbo. Please, I want to debunk the stories going around the town because of the protest Showere Yoruba man called. They say that the Igbos abandoned Nnamdi Kanu. That is a false statement. We the Igbos, we are 100% behind our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you.
All right.
Since yesterday, we have been talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's witness call, kind of people he called for witness in this ongoing trial of his. So today, once again, there is another development. This court case is all about new development every now and then until we see the end of it all. So today, Nnamdi Kanu chooses to defend himself, and the courtroom emptied. At the Federal High Court in Abuja, something happened that shook the very foundation of justice in Nigeria. All the senior advocates representing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, one after another, withdraw from his case. And right after that, the presiding judge, Justice James Omotosho, ordered every remaining lawyer in court to leave the courtroom, simply because Kanu chose to defend himself personally. Now, pause and think. Why would the judge chase other lawyers away from a courtroom that is supposed to be public? Why silence the very people who are trained to defend truth? Let's talk about law. Under Section 36, Article 3 of the 1999 Constitution, every Nigerian is guaranteed a public trial unless it involves minor or a case of national security. That means, by law, justice must not hide behind closed doors. And under Section 36, Article 6C, every accused person, including Nnamdi Kanu, has the constitutional right to defend himself. If so chose, it is understandable that Mazi Nnamdi acted under his legal rights to defend himself in the court. But when all his senior lawyers pull out at once, that is not healthy, and it is not a coincidence. That's a loud statement that something inside the courtroom is no longer transparent and no longer trusted. And when a judge orders lawyers out of court, the message to the world is simple: we have something to hide. But justice that hides is justice denied. I must tell you, this very trial has gone beyond Mazi Nnamdi. It has become a mirror of Nigeria's democracy, a test of whether our court still serves truth or power. Let the world take note. You can remove the lawyers, but you cannot remove the law. You can silence the witnesses, but you cannot silence the truth. Ultimate viewers, we keep on watching, keep reporting, and keep asking, because justice must not only be done, it must be seen done. This is the latest twist in Mazi Nnamdi's case today, as he has ordered his advocates to withdraw from the case, that he is ready to defend himself. We'll wait and see what is going to happen. Already, the pattern of the justice is already known. Everything that has happened from beginning to now about this very case are well-established facts. We'll wait and see the outcome of this self-defense of Mazi Nnamdi. If the judge will be asking those that are supposed to be as witnesses in an open and transparent court system, asking them to go out of the court, shows there is something hidden in the legal system. But we will not say much about it for now. That's the update from the court until we hear the last from this very court session. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Share the video for other people to see it. And if it is your first time coming across my videos, I plead with you to follow my page and subscribe. God bless you.